mirar la luna, la 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 la.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As always, before we proceed, let's start first with an important disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research and do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, as cryptocurrency is highly volatile and risky. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. What if you could earn daily from a Web3 platform even as a beginner and also grow income just by sharing it with others? Today, I'll show you how exactly Gen Z verse works and how you can start earning step by step. Gen Zverse is a Web3 earning ecosystem built on the Polygon blockchain. It combines daily earning, token staking, and a powerful affiliate system so you don't just earn alone, you earn by building a network too. Most people struggle in Web3 because it's too complicated, rewards are unclear, and many projects aren't trustworthy enough. But Genziverse simplifies this by using transparent smart contracts, a structured earning system, and a focus on long-term sustainability. So, how you can earn in this? Let's break down how you actually make money here. First is daily income. You can earn around 0.3% daily based on your package. Second is affiliate income. You earn when people join your referral link. And third is team growth rewards. As your network grows, your earnings also increase. So it's a mix of passive income and active sharing. So for the GNZ token, the system runs on GNZ token. It's used for staking, rewards, and platform governance. There's a limited supply of only 11 million tokens, which helps support long term value. And here's what makes Gen Z Verse different. Every time someone buys a package, 15% of tokens are burnt and 15 tokens are brought back. Also, this reduces supply and supports price. And take note that only 0.3% of tokens are unlocked daily, which help prevent sudden dumping and keeps the system more stable. This is where things get really interesting. You can earn by simply sharing your referral link. Here's how. You can invite people, they join and activate packages, and of course, you will earn commissions from that. Plus, multi-level income system, tier-based rewards, and team bonuses. There's also a 3 times earning cap which keeps the system balanced. So, the more your team grows, the more your income can grow also. When you join, you also get a $15 sign-up bonus, network bonuses, and redemption options between 5% up to 30%. So you start earning from day one. You can start with a small package and upgrade anytime. Higher packages equals higher earning potential. Withdrawals are split into 50% USDT, 40% wallet, and 10% ecosystem. Once you register, this is your dashboard. Here you choose packages. This shows your team, and this is your earning section. Everything is simple and beginner friendly. And if you want to get started, use my referral link below to register. Join early to maximize your benefits and start building your income step by step. Just remember, always do your own research before joining. And if you're serious about earning in Web3, this is something you worth checking out. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you again for watching and goodbye.